Yeah, good evening, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you're hooking up to. You're welcome to today's AI 360 practical section. I'm so excited to have you all here. My name is Samuel Okon. My name has not changed. And with me here is Grace
Grace
Okafor.
Okafor.
Please, Grace, say hi to us.
Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depending on your time. I feel good to see our faces again today. Like I will always say, execution is the key. Don't just come to watch or observe. Make sure you execute and make money from your application. Once again, thank you for coming.
Okay, thank you so much, Grace, for that sharp introduction. So today we'll be diving into one of the most powerful tools in AI 360 Studio, which is the Image Enhancer app. This app is designed to take your ordinary low quality or blunt photos and transform them into stunning high resolution professional quality image in just a few clicks. In this section, we are not just going to talk theory, it's hands-on and interactive as we always do. So we'll take you through and you get to understand how to use this app step by step. The real-time demonstration with before and after results. The most appropriate, however, thing to do is for you to pay attention. And definitely we are going to show you how to monetize and enhance image, turning simple edits into opportunities for income building and business growth. So whether you're a content creator, you're an entrepreneur, a freelancer, or simple ones who love amazing visual, today's section will show you how to unlock the full potential of the image enhancer app. So get ready. This is the practical section. Let's start up. So Grace, over to you. You can put up your slide and let's start straight forward. So I was going to see you guys at the end of this practical section. So from there, I want to tell you how to monetize it and also make money from it. So Grace, go ahead.
Just type the app you want with. So today I'm working with Image Enhancer. I typed image and the three apps that bears image appeared. So I will select Image Enhancer. Good. If you can see my screen where you have options to even upload 5 images once, okay? But because we don't have much time, I will just upload one. Click on upload images. It will open your device folder for you to select. I want something plain. This one is that. Okay, let me just work with this one. Uploading images. Awesome. So you see the image here. These are the ones that I have worked with before now. So this is the one I just uploaded, right? Click on it. This is the one I uploaded. You will see these 3 dots here. Click on edit, this one. Awesome. This is the home page of our amazing image enhancer. So we can see different tools here, okay? All right, this is the one for cropping. I want to reduce the size as usual. No, I want to reduce the size. Like we were told, if you want to resize, don't drag by the side, drag by the edge so that the quality of the image will remain intact, right? So this is what the tool does. You want to crop the edges. This is the one for resizing. Okay, if you can see my screen very well, the graphic I'm working with is 1392 in width and 724 in height. So the height and width you want to target, just come here and type it. Maybe 1000 by 1000. Okay, 1000 by 1000. Then click on done. You will see it. It will the effect will. If I do it now, it will close and I have to start afresh. I don't have that much time, okay? But if you're doing your own, just the same thing I'm doing here. If your aim is just to resize, click the particular size you want to get, then click done. See done here. Automatically it will be saved. Then you download it and work with it. We are going to see this two again, this two again. So I will do some practicals with the other part of it. For now, let me just leave this one. I believe you were able to understand this part. Just come to the base of the image and type the size you want to reduce the image to, okay? This one is AI retouch. AI retouch, okay? Click on the AI retouch. What do you want to see? Okay, I can tell the AI to change the background. The background is already sky blue. I can tell the AI I want a red background. Let me type it again. Okay, look at what he said. Let me click the text. I say, what would you like to see in the background? I will tell it, I want a red background. Okay, then click on replace here. Give it some time. It will change the background color. Preparing image. Okay. Awesome. Did you see that? It has changed the background from sky blue to, what I wanted. Okay. The next two here, I click on the two and these options came, right? Okay. This is the option to move. I'm not moving anything here. This is the views already. We're already seeing it, right? So let's go to other tools that we can see the effects. This is where we want to highlight something. Some people, when they pay, they want to highlight maybe the date they paid or their name. So this is the two. The color is here, red here. You can change the color to any color you want. The effect to come with. You can change the size. You want it to be bold, medium size, extra medium. This is how to change it. Okay. Don't know if you're seeing this small dot here. You see, I'm trying to mark something, okay? So that is it. Maybe I want to highlight this no risk here. You just draw it here, okay? I'm not doing done. If I do done now, it will close and I have to come up again, okay? So depending on what you want to achieve as the user, if you click on done, when it closes, then you come up again. It will bring you to the gallery, that place that I uploaded the image and I saw some pictures there. You will see the one you have worked with. You can pick it from there again and continue. Okay. This one is eraser here. Eraser. Let me remove this thing here. You see, did you see it? That mark I drew before has been erased by the eraser tool. Okay. This one is for parts. I want to draw maybe a line, want to draw a part. I hope you're seeing my screen. Okay. This one will be good for those that are doing mathematics or statistics. You want to draw a part, or if those that are into drawing, it will help you. I just drew Z here. You can walk around it, play around it, depending on what you want to achieve. You can duplicate it. Just click on it, the icon to duplicate it. You can do that. You can also delete it. Okay, with that dustbin icon, you can delete it. My own is still effective. Okay, awesome. It has been deleted. Okay, this one is also to draw line. Okay, I want to draw your line. Okay, so the two is amazing. This one is for arrow. You want to draw arrow, same thing. You want to draw a rectangle, the same thing. Okay, see it here. You want to do eclipse like a circle to help you achieve that. The eclipse tool. Okay, click on delete to be out, or you use eraser and delete it. You want to write something on it, you will see test here. The last two you will see is test. Okay, the same thing. If you click on text, you have options to change the font, the color. You know, this is the color you want the text to appear with, the size, normal, bold, the font size, the height. You want to draw something, maybe like an artist, you can have the effects, you can change the effect here from the medium. You change another, maybe after writing with medium, you can pick small, kids look, come out amazing. Okay, so the tools are just amazing. Anyone you click on, you can automatically start effecting it here. Okay, if you don't like it, you can just click on this, highlight it, and click on that dustbin there, and they will disappear. I have been able to do those ones that I have done before. Okay, so the next one is our sticker. I want to add a sticker. This one is celebration sticker, right? And click on it. Okay, I click on select image. Maybe the one you have, you don't want to, the one you have here in your dashboard. We have thumbs up, smiling emoji. We have a selection emoji. Maybe you want to import another one. Just click on this select image. It will open your device for you to select the one you have already in your system. Bring it and bring it over and you start working with it. Okay, I don't want to do that now. You can click on this one once to start playing with. Just place it where you want to place it. Okay, this tool is amazing. It's amazing. Where will I place this one now? Just find a way, make your work amazing. Don't place anyhow. Okay, all right, I was able to place the celebration emoji. This one is for happy mood. Select this one. This one is for thumbs up. The same thing I did here. Okay, you can duplicate it with this icon. You can delete it also if you don't like it. Let me delete this thumbs up here. The next one is filter now. For those that use Android phones, this one, if you know this one, this is a default. What we're seeing now, maybe you don't like it, you want to change the color. I click on Chrome. I think it's not like a pinky something. Okay. The second one I have here is fade. I click on fade. The color is, this one is cold. Just play around it. If you go again, you see mono. Mono, no color, mono means no color, right? So it has turned to black and white. I know one YouTuber, all his stuff normally comes out with black and white, and it's good. Mainly, if you don't know how to design, just be using black and white. It will appear, it must surely appear good. So if you want to be creating something in black and white, these two will also help you. Just import the image or the graphics, select mono or no, NOIR. The color will disappear and it will come out as black and white. Okay. The next two we have here. This is the next two to fine tune it. Okay, this one is for brightness. You can play around it, play around it, around it. This one is to contrast. Okay, saturation, exposure. You will not see the effect because I have turned this guy into black and white. Let me take it back to normal color, please. So back to fine tune. You can play around the brightness here. Okay. You see, it's getting brighter. If I go right, my own right is going is fainting now. Okay. This one is for color contrast. Okay. Exposure. Each one has its amazing effects. Okay. So these are the amazing tools we have here. I want to show us another one. The final one now. Mr. Sam, I hope I still have more time. So play around this thing. How many minutes left?
Yeah, we have enough time. We have
Awesome.
enough time. Just go ahead.
Awesome.
Go ahead.
So basically, we have looked at the tools here. I want to show us something I saw. Good. We have gone through all the tools here. Then let's go to the last part of it. This one is for rotation. You want to rotate it, just play around it. Rotate, rotate, rotate. Okay. The second one is to flip it based on what you're designing. You know the effect that will work best for you. Okay. So I click on this. If you are working with it, before you see the amazing tools as my own side is my left, you will see one arrow. Click on the arrow, you will see revert. Revert is to bring it back, to cancel the current effect. So I just click on it and it came back to the normal position. Okay, this place is to flip it. Awesome. This one is amazing. This crop shape is amazing. For example, if you are working for a social media content, maybe Facebook, Instagram, this is the place to get the size you want. Okay, custom is the normal size of the image. You see, so let me click on square to see the effect now. You see square. So it depends on what you're working with and your text alignment. Okay, based on what I did the banner for square, my graphics are scattered. So it's for me, the one I did, I used 16 by 19. Okay, so if I want to work with something square, I will, remember that my graphics should align in a way that if I click on the square, they will not scatter. I don't know if you're getting what I'm saying. Okay, depending on what you're working with, the type of size and how you place your text so that the effect will not scatter your work. Okay. So yeah, every option you need as a content creator, we have it here. This one is landscape. This is the size. I told you before, this graphic, I did it with 16 by 9. So I click on 16 by 9. It came back to the original. Are you seeing it? It came back to the original. Yeah. So if you're creating content for Facebook, this one is for portrait, it will go straight now. It's not amazing for me. I don't need you, no. So for S is Twitter post. You can come here and get the S size so that when you post on S, it will fit to their own, frame there. This one is for Instagram story. This one is for Facebook cover. Mention them on it, and you get the perfect square for your work. Okay. All right. Let me go back to my original size. Custom. Custom. Good. this one to crop. This one is to crop the edge now. We have seen this one before. Crop, draw it here, to resize it, bring it up. Awesome. The last one I want to show us scale. The effect of scale is the same thing with resizing. Scale. Okay, let me drag it. I'm increasing it. Don't know if my figure is increasing 8, is 8 now, 11, just to work to play around the size. It has the same effect with resizing. And another effect it has is it affects the quality of the picture, depending on the ratio we allow you to play with. Okay, picture that thing right now about here. You have seen how to, let me see if you have another thing I'm missing. AI retouch, AI retouch, another one. AI retouch. Awesome. This is the last part now. Yes, I was looking for this part. Okay. Although this filter tools will also help you achieve this one. Filter tools has this effect there. Magic remover. It will just bring out brush for me. Okay, brush. So now I want to clean. Maybe I want to clean. Let me clean risk. Okay. So highlight it. Highlight on the risk. Okay, entered no. Let me complete. Highlight it and leave it. Leave it. Automatically the AI will. Somebody is talking in the background. So I wanted to clean this risk. Did you see what happened now? Did you see it? Should I redo it? I have removed the no risk there. So I click on magic remove. I highlighted where I want to remove. I allowed the AI to work on it. It has removed it. Okay? Magic inside. Like I showed us before, we have worked around these two before. I want to put this here, I want to highlight a place you want to work with, Basically these two here, when we worked on, was it sticker? Let me find it. Sticker, annotate. Good. That thing I just did here, you can find them at annotate too. You see, the eraser to erase something, the shape is to add whatever you want to add to highlight things. So basically, this is our amazing image enhancer, and it is here for you to make your work come out awesome. Okay, so I charge you to go and work with it. Okay, work. And the other thing, if you work with some AI image generators, they'll often give you what we call dummy tests that do not make any meaning. So when you get those graphics and you want to really work with them, you can import them here and click those dummy words there and start using the graphic. Okay, this is one advantage you will have over other people that designs. Okay, yes, I want to work with this graphic that this AI gave me, but I don't want to work with these dummy graphics or diagrams around them that are in them. Import them here, use our annotate tools. See eraser here. It will be out. Then you work with your graphic. So thank you so much. I hope we have been able to, help you know how to use this tool. Thank you, Mr. Sam. That's all we have here for now.
All right. Before we go ahead, I know some of us came a little bit late today, but that notwithstanding, I might have to run a review later. But is there any question before we do a quick review before I go to how to monetize it? Is there any question? Just raise your hand and speak, or you type on our chat. Is there any question? What you don't understand, just let us know. Or where do you want her to go back and show you what it does?
So sorry, sir. At the end, you click on this done. Okay.
Done. Yeah.
Yeah, click
and
on the
save it.
done, then it will
You
save
can go
it.
ahead and click on it.
I
Click
have
on
done
it
that.
for us.
I have done that.
Good. So
So I have done that.
it's,
It's saying processing. So all the changes I have made automatically will be saved. Okay. This was the one I work with. So automatically it will be saved here. You see it here. Then you download it. Awesome. Says your image has been saved. All right.
okay. Actual picture. Do I have any?
So look at it here. You know, I drew something on it. Look at it here. Okay. If you still want to work with it, you click on this three dot and start working with it again. So now I can also save direct. I clicked on the image. I saw these options. Normal way to save. Save images. You click it, it will open your device for you to save it. Give it the right name so that you won't forget it when you want to use it again. So see the image, maybe you can give it the right name, not any name, please. Enhanced image. It has graphic. Gonna give it the right name so that you won't. So that's how to save it. Just click on done. You will find it here. Okay, save it and start working with it. So do I have any questions, sir? Anything on the chat box? On the chat?
Yeah, I'm trying to reply someone here. I think
Okay.
Anne just asked a question that it would be better if we had used an actual image. Okay, so Anne, the thing is,
Okay.
yes, if we use an actual image, I don't think there's no difference between what she has done with
Yeah,
the
you just
actual image. What you do is that if you're bringing in an actual image, what she just did was just to show you how to use the menu of the tools that are available to do whatever you need to do. You understand? The features that you need to use to edit your image, edit whatever you're bringing in are all there. So you just follow the same step. You want it brighter, you want it, sharper than that. But can I take over your screen? Grace,
okay.
let me just show her one or two things in respect to that. So can you end your can you end your okay. Are you seeing my screen?
Yes, yes.
What part of my screen are you seeing?
The
Inside the
image
app,
enhancer
Abby?
you are highlighting it here.
Okay. You can see what the image enhancer does, but let me get into the app proper itself. I'm coming. Um, let me get into the app proper so that it will be easy for us to understand. Okay, so are we seeing my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
So what she just did was to upload an image. So if you've uploaded your image by clicking on the upload image icon, I wouldn't want to go too far with that. Your image will automatically appear. If you have not started, this page will be blank. It will appear here. And all you need to do, which she has explained earlier, for those of us that just came, is to double click on whichever image that you have uploaded there, and it will pop up like this. And you come to these three dots at the bottom. What you're trying to do is to enhance your image. What the app does is to make your image look better than it was before, to make it sharper, to add color, to add anything you need to add, and still make it better than it was before. So you can either copy and do whatever you need to do with it, or you can decide to um, edit it, because it's from the edit part you actually be able to see all those things, or you download the image the way it is, or you delete your image and go and upload another one. But let's come to this edit icon and click on it. It opens up. Okay. So immediately it opens up, you can see from our end here, everything that we need to see from the menu here. From the crop she was explaining, you can crop your image, you can resize it, you can use our AI retouch tool, the annotate, you can use the sticker, the filter, which she has explained. So this other part here, where you have on this top part, immediately you open it on the crop side, if you click on this particular one, is to rotate it to the left. Are we seeing it? If I click it again, it will rotate again to the left. That's turn it upside down. You see what I'm doing, right? I click it again and I click it returns to its normal position. And I come here. What this one does is to flip it. It flips the horizontal part to the other side. You can see what I did here. So it has flipped it. So the crop part is also an exciting part to use. Then in this particular part, if we click on it, it gives us undefined, which is what she was trying to explain the other time. It gives us the position you want, or the shape, sorry, you want your image to be. And as we have here, which is also integrated, you can use it in a different shape that you want. Even for your posts, your Instagram posts, your Facebook posts, it all has the shape that you can pick from here. Unlike other tools that don't have this feature, this one has it. Your X cover, your X post, your X card, your Instagram story, this is the particular shape that is recommended for it. So you can pick any of this shape and work with it. You understand? For example, if you come to our Facebook, let's say 4x5, you can see the shape has changed. You understand? So we go back there again. Let's say the X card, no, X post, you can see the shape has changed. So you can now crop it to this particular shape and work with whatever you need to work with, which has rightly explained earlier. I'm just doing it for those of us that just came late to see. You understand? So, and this particular one is to actually also um, edge our image. You can increase and decrease it to a particular place you want it to actually highlight, and you work with it from there. So, but that's by the way. So let's return back to our normal crop. Then if you come here to resize, which has explained before, the width and the height, you can change to maybe 500 by, let's assume it's 500. You can see it has increased. If I do 1,500. Let's see how that one looks like. You can see it increases it. So these are AI tools that you don't need to start designing anything here. All you need to do is to just drag and do whatever you need to do, and your image is good to go. Okay. So I type on it and I click outside it. Now this AI retouch is as she has rightly said, is one awesome tool you use to quickly change the background of your image. Let's assume your picture. This I use it as a picture. Example, this is your picture. I want to change the background to, let's say we need gold color. I say I need a gold color background. And I say replace. It's going to generate it. So it's replacing the background with the color that it was before. No matter the color that was there before, it will give you exactly the color that you've asked it to give. So we'll just wait for some few minutes while it generates it from the background and still brings out the color while your image still remains intact. So it doesn't bother, it doesn't touch your image at all. I hope we understand. So let's just give it some few seconds and see it pop up. So look at the gold image and the background I asked it to give. So it has given us a gold background. So with this, we can keep, editing and changing things. The background has been replaced. I can come down here and say magic remove. For example, I want to replace a text here. I click on it. It gives me the brush size I want. I might take the largest size or a very tiny one, depending on the object or the text. If the text is not too is tiny, I can pick any of this brush to ensure that I settle down on that particular place and clean that up. So let's come with large, and I want to remove this hub. I'll only click on hub. Let's say I highlight on hub. Whatever image or text you want to take off, just click on it and allow it and give it some second. And let's see what happens there. If I highlighted hub, so those parts that we highlight, you can see now, they are off. So that is what this particular part of magic remove do. And we also come, you can undo it, you come here and click on revert, and it takes us back to wherever we're coming from. The magic insert, she has explained it as well. So you can go ahead and still do the same thing. Now, let's look at the particular part I wanted us to see. Yeah, this part of annotate. I know she has explained all this where you come with your arrow. It is an arrow shape where you can point to something. Let's assume you are trying to point to something. This is the arrow. You can also do the arrow. Let's assume this is an arrow, and also change the shape. I can come here and say, no, I want it to be maybe a green. You can see it has changed to green. That's just about the color here, and do large. Let's see, you can see it's large now. I can see come here and do extra large. You can see how big the arrow is. Or we can see come here and bring it back to medium. You can see the arrow here. So the tool is awesome. You don't need to stress yourself so much. All you need to do is drag and drop, and you do the needful. Now let's look at this part she was talking about, the text. I want to type something inside my image. I come and click on it, and I highlight wherever I want to type. I say this app is awesome. Now you can see I'm not seeing it properly or clearly. I can highlight it. I want to change the color of this thing and also increase the font. I come to this font color and give it white. I want to see it very well. If I double click on it and probably I click outside, you can see it's white already. But I'm not still satisfied because I'm not seeing it well. I can come to the, let's leave the font size first, the font style, and make it bold. It's not still bold. I come to my font size and I make it, before it was extra small, I can make it medium small. Let's see. You can see it has increased automatically. But let's go back and make it small. This app is awesome. So, and with this, you can also line height and every other thing, you can change it from here. You understand? And on this part too, you can decide to increase every other thing for you to see bold. And let's assume you are not seeing much. So with this app, okay, let's just still come here. This text here, the one we have here, we can do the text alignment to be in the middle. There's nothing you cannot do with this image enhancer. She has told us about the sticker where you can just come, either you decide to add an image to whatever you have. Let's assume I come here, I click on select image. Okay, let's put something here. I click on OK. This is the image I just imported in. I can decide to let it be a logo somewhere on top, and I resize it a little bit. I can decide to make it any size I want. I can delete, I can copy it, I can, reproduce it, which is what I just did, and still drag it to somewhere. So you can, from here, also bring in an image and still work with the image. You can, your emoji, anyone you want, you can put it at anywhere and still, continue with your work. So shall talk to us about the filter as well. You can see you have different filter functions here. You can see, as I'm clicking it, you can see that it's changing. Every other thing is changing just to be unique in your own way of doing things. So can get a perfect image from here. And fine tune is almost the same thing as the filter. You can make it brighter. You can come here and drag minus 100. I can drag to maybe 82. I can leave it at 21. I can leave it at 60. I come to my contract. We are not doing any serious design. We're not doing anything. We're just using the AI to play around it as you guys and every other thing. So whatever suits, you can also do the same thing here. So the temperature, the exposure, it's an app that you might not be able to do without. The exposure, you can see also. So everything combined, and this part that says the frame, you can choose any frame size to frame it. You understand? And it comes out very, very awesome at the end of the day. And when you are done, or each time if you wish, you can decide to keep saving your work. You understand? So automatically, when you are done, you can just click on done, and it overwrites whatever you have done before, like this life coach, you definitely not get to see it again. So what you'll be seeing here, let's just give it some minutes so that it will initiate. Okay, update successful. So okay, so here it is. This is what we just placed it back on your system. So from here, you can now decide to double click on it and probably export it to anywhere you wish to export it to by still clicking on these three dots and downloading it. Or you copy it and go and paste. If I click on this download now, automatically it will start downloading from my end. So it gives me this option. Sorry, this image is blocking it. Now it gives me the option of download, which is JPEG option, the PNG option, or the web. Listen, I click on the JPEG option, and automatically we can see it has downloaded my image. I can from there now go and share it on my social media platform or anywhere and start monetizing it. I hope we clearly understand these simple steps. I've already and done a summary of the class again. So, but before we close for today, let's quickly look at some few 7 ways to monetize the image enhancer. Just beginner-friendly ways. One of them is to use as a photo retouching service for influencers and brands. Yes, you can do that. Anybody's photo that has maybe a photo that has stayed for a very long time and it has started getting moisture on it. With AI 360 image enhancer, you can do a photo retouching service for the person and it comes out still clean. You can offer a quick image enhancing service to content creators, social media managers, and brand owners who want polished, high quality photos for Instagram ads or e-commerce and e-commerce store. Number two is to do what you call an e-commerce image optimization. Yeah, you work with online stores owners to enhance product image for Amazon, Shopify, etc. So that their image definitely will be okay in their carts. For student ID, and also number three is for student ID and ID photo enhancements. It's almost the same thing as the photo retouching. So when the ID card is going blunt, you can go ahead, offer enhanced professional looking handshots for students, resume, LinkedIn profile, or online applications. You can do what you call, offer a service that's called a wedding or event photo cleanups. You know, there are some images that comes out of the weddings and events. They are not okay, but you can do that and make it brighter. You enhance blurring and dark portions. So when they snap pictures, some parts could be dark or poorly. There's no light in that environment. But with AI image enhancer, you can get that done with ease. You know, social media. Number five is social media post polish service. You can provide a glow up service for small business owners. You touch up their image post before they hit or publish to make them look more pro without hiring designers. And number six, you can do what we call image upscaling and restoration. That one, you offer a fixed old photo, which is what I said before. You can do that gig maybe in your Fiverr or your Upwork, or even on your own website that you offer image upscaling. A lot of people's image, old photos are not okay. So you can help them to fix that with just a token. And there's what you call lastly, the branded stock photo bundles, where you download free stock image, enhance them, rebrand them, then you put them out for sale and package them in content. So basically, that is just that about how to monetize it. But however, as usual, I'm going to do a slide and put it on our Discord channel, including more videos. I promised a video over the weekend, but I've not been able to upload it yet. The video is ready. The one we did for, what was the last class we did now? Please remind me, Grace. The
Video
last class was
editor.
video editor, yes.
Yeah.
So definitely send the link to the Discord channel. Everybody should please ensure you go to our Discord channel and get our resources. If you don't understand anything, please just DM me or you drop a message there on the Discord, and we'll be sharp to address whatever issue it is. If you want me to talk to you one-on-one, my WhatsApp number is there. Just call on me. I will guide you on how to get things done. Anything you don't understand at all, because most app, if you're not being guided, you might not understand it, because these things are very, very simple to work with. We can see how we quickly use the tools in less than 10, 20 minutes to show you all about how the tools work. So please don't hesitate to do that. And for those of us that missed or are just joining or that missed previous classes, please ensure you watch all the videos on our Discord channel and also our YouTube channel. You are very lucky, because I know for sure by next week, the price is going up more than what you already purchased. We're already trying to put up the price. So for those of us that have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe. So I don't know if we have any question. We are wrapping up for today. Any question, please, so that we wrap up for today. We're almost at the 1 hour mark. Any question? Okay, if there is none, thank you so much for being a part of us. I want to say a very big thank you to everyone that's been a part of us. Whatever question you don't understand. Yes, please. Mr. Ambrose.
Yes, I wanted to ask, what is the JPEG or the other formats? What are the best formats to download images from these apps? Because I think JPEG is like a photo.
Okay.
Hello?
I'm with you. Now,
So
whichever
the
format you
JPEG,
want to download from, it depends. Okay, go ahead.
yes, I'm saying that. Is it JPEG that is
Go
uh,
ahead, Mr. Andrews.
best?
Yes.
Is it JPEG that is best for downloading the formats? I mean, downloading the resources we already have created in the apps before we now save it.
Now, Mr. Andrews, it depends on what you are doing. You understand? That's why we have those options. You understand? It depends on what
Yes,
you are
that's
doing.
it.
Because definitely the JPEG is for your is best for photos and realistic image. Your JPEG is
Hey
best for
guys,
photos and
I
realistic
guess that's
image.
it.
Who is that? Please let me silence that person. Let me answer this question. It's a good question he just asked. Okay, so let's start from where I stopped. As I said earlier, for JPEG, is the best for photos and realistic image. You know, it uses what we call the lousy compression, a smaller file size, but
I guess
give you
that's it.
some quality, some good quality. You understand? The only disadvantage with JPEG is that they don't support transparency. You understand? But for your PNG, which is the second one, is best for logos and graphics. Excuse me. I hope you are taking notes. It's best for logos
Hey
and
guys,
graphics, and
I
also
guess that's it.
heavyweight image and screenshots. It's this person now. Sorry, 1 minute. Let me silence this person. Let me look for this person. Okay, so
Right,
we are
don't
good
worry.
now. So are you with me? Okay.
Yes, yes, I'm with you. I
So
can understand.
invariably, yeah. Okay. Should I start all over again so that you pen it down if there's need for you? I want to explain the three these things that are there for you to upload, to download
Okay,
from. JPEG, as I
okay,
said, is best for photos and realistic image. Okay. Um, it uses what you call the lossy compression. It gives you a smaller size, but good quality as well. It doesn't really change, but it doesn't support what you call transparency. Your transparency, you understand? It gives you the image the way it is. But for your PNG, it's best for your logo, graphics, and text heavy image, and also for your screenshots. Excuse me. So that's for your PNG. And it supports large files, and it also supports transparency. That's for your PNG. So if you
okay,
are using the two, it depends on what you are doing. But that WebP, 1 minute, sorry, excuse me. Then that WebP, what it does is that it's a modern format by Google, and it combines the best of JPG and also PNG together. You understand? It supports both lousy and lossless compression for smaller size than the JPEG and the PNG. And this particular one supports transparency. So basically for websites, it's a quick guide for you is that if you do your web page, it is for your website, it opens up on your web. But for editing and achieving things, you have to use your PNG. No quality lost on that one if you're using it. And for your social media and photos, we advise you use your JPG because of the compatibility and the smaller size. I think that is just a summary of it. So I don't know if you're okay with that. Is there any other question again?
it's okay, it's okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much.
Very good. So we have a link to the Discord channel. Please just click it if you are just new. We have resources there. Ask your questions there. Do whatever you need to do there. I will get to you. If you get to me one. There was somebody that was talking to me about school. I'm still looking for that lady. I don't know if she's on call here. So that we can work together with you. If you want to introduce it to a school, we get to the school and work with any other organization at all. So I want to say a very big thank you for everyone that has been part of today's class. God bless you. So if there's no other question, we'll see you at the Discord channel. Thank you so much.